Breaking news. A local developer forgets how to iterate over a list in Java after 5 whole years as a Java backend developer. Witnesses say they were last seen frantically Googling how to increment an iterator in Java before vanishing into the abyss known as Stack Overflow. If you've ever felt like a complete fraud, despite, actually writing code that works, congrats. You've got imposter syndrome. And guess what? Every real developer has it. If you don't wake up at least once a week thinking, wait, do I actually know how to code, or have I just been faking it really well? You're either a liar or an AI-generated LinkedIn guru. Here's the deal. Nobody actually knows what they're doing. You think senior devs have everything figured out? Nah. They're just better at Googling stuff without looking like they're Googling it. Trust me. The same people managing billion-dollar infrastructure still have to Google how to exit Vim. And don't even get me started on centering a div. Some of the smartest engineers alive are out here losing 1 versus 1s to CSS like it's an Elden Ring boss fight. Meanwhile, Chad from your bootcamp is pitching his AI-powered crypto startup. Imposter syndrome isn't a bug, it's a feature. A 2020 study showed over 58% of software engineers admit they've felt like frauds. The other 42%? Probably just too scared to admit it. Even Guido van Rossum, the guy who literally invented Python, once said he doesn't always feel like he knows what he's doing. So if the creator of a whole programming language feels like an imposter sometimes, you're absolutely allowed to panic over a missing semicolon. But here's the truth. No one tells you. Tech moves way too fast for anyone to truly keep up. One day, you're a React expert. The next, React announces React Quantum, and suddenly, you're unlearning everything you ever knew. JavaScript frameworks evolve faster than your ability to understand them. The second you feel confident, boom, new release, everything's deprecated, and you're 12 hours deep in another YouTube tutorial just trying to feel like a functioning human again. So if you ever feel like you don't know enough, remember, no one does. The only difference between a junior and a senior dev? Seniors are just better at hiding their Google searches. That guy in the corner debugging a massive enterprise app? You think he's not copy-pasting Stack Overflow answers with his whole chest? Think again. If you can write code, break code, and then panic Google why your code is broken, congratulations, you're a real developer. And finally, if all else fails, just remember, you're only a fraud if you get caught. Now excuse me while I Google how to write a for loop again. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe, or you'll instantly forget how to center a div.